More difficult now. These kids have been practicing this juggling all cruise long. So big round of applause. Let's welcome out all of our circus jugglers. All right, here we go. The scarf jugglers in the front. Scarves in the front. Scarves in the front. On the count of three, scarves. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. And the audience goes wild! There they go, doing a great job. Doing the scarf juggling. The team on the end is having trouble. There she goes. Look at her go now. Give them a round of applause for the scarf juggler. Scarves to the back, balls to the front. Here we go. On the count of three, 1, 2, 3, go! And the audience goes crazy! Alright, audience, the louder you scream, the higher the balls get thrown. Here we go! If you scream really loud, the tall guy on the end is going to try to do a toss turnaround. Scarves back to the front. Everybody just keep one scarf. Just keep one. Alright, what's going to happen here is each person is going to throw their scarf up in the air. They're going to take a step to the right and they're going to catch the scarf of the person beside them. However, this little lady right here on the end, she's going to run behind them over to the other side and catch her scarf before he hits the ground. You know what you're doing? Of course you do. Alright. On the count of three, here we go. Are you ready? You look confused on the end down there. You're just going to throw it up in the air and take a step to the right. All right, here we go. On the count of three, 1, 2, 3, go! Let's do it one more time. You can do it? Can you do it all the way down there? Are you sure? Yes, you can do it. On the count of three, 1, 2, 3, go! Go for it. Got any tricks you think you want to show them? Under the leg, around the back, anything? There's a trick. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the ball jugglers. A round of applause for the scarf jugglers. Thank you so much, guys. There you go. Head on backstage. There you go, doing a fantastic job today. Our wonderful jugglers.